Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and tonight's video is a continuation of this impact tool where we weld and trim without the impact tool, and this is going to be using the clone tool to actually help you. And if you haven't watched the first video, you might want to find that or back up and watch it first. But we're going to take our shape that we created in the first video and we're going to clone it. Then we're going to double click on it and we're going to move our rotation to that node and we're going to rotate it 5 degrees. Now you can make a duplicate with Control D, and we're just going to make a bunch of duplicates. Now your top dead center is your clone. You need to remember that. Now we can take our shape tool, and this is our top dead center, and we can actually move this in. I'll tell you what, let's back up here. Let's change our nudge distance to 0.1. We're going to get we've got top dead center. We're going to move that node in 0.1. We're going to grab the other side so we'll be symmetrical and come in 0.1. Now you have a whole different look. And every time you add a click, you can change all your perspective with the clone tool. I've made very many videos on the clone tool, and it is cool. You could actually make it longer. I must have messed up. Let's make it blue. You see, it made it all blue. Maybe you cannot stretch it in this case. Let's see what happens. I know you can. Let's let's move this node. There we go. I deleted that node, so let's move this node down and try to get it in the center initially. So you can do a lot with the clone tool if you do not have the impact tool. We're going to make them all black. We're going to Control G and group them together. We're going to go up to Object and we're going to convert them to curves. We're going to put it in the center of the page. We're going to put our heart in the center of the page. Let's put our black new design in the back of the page. Let's click on our heart, hold down the Shift key, click on our drawing, and then use the trim tool. And we got that same effect. I think I messed it up a little bit by pulling that one down, so that shouldn't be there. But that's actually pretty cool. Anyway, so that's the clone tool. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.